Hey guys.
Going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up, going up. Get it that I'm never going. 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 Get it that I'm never going.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, I really don't know what I'm doing today. Well, I know for a fact that I'm about to do a wig install, and I can also do like a little get ready with me. I'll hit y'all up when I get back home so I can do this wig. And I'll probably do my makeup and actually look decent today. That's the goal. Hey guys, so right here I'm just applying my glue. That's my Supreme Ghost Bond glue that I've used prior to installing this. I'm just adding I think that's probably my second layer of glue here, and just spreading it with the end of my edge brush. And now I'm just applying the wig, applying my third layer of glue now, and now I'm just pressing down my wig. And this is a T-part wig I got from AliExpress. I will try to insert the link below. Right here is giving me very much wig vibes. Right here I'm just pressing the hair back with my hot comb on 480 degrees, I think. And now I'm just applying my elastic band to the perimeter of the hair right on the edge of the lace. Just pressing this wig out. I did already straighten it prior to trying to put it on. Just spraying a little bit of Gots to Be Glued spray on it just to lay down some flyaways before adding my actual wax stick and heat serum. And right here I'm just parting out baby hairs and gluing down my ear tab. Well, I'm cutting off ear tabs right here. Just parting that out just to make sure and measuring it around my ear. Look, I have a lot of extra lace there on the end, on the ear tabs. Just got to cut that off so that it'll lace seamlessly. And look at that hairline, y'all. It's so thick, but I did pluck it like off camera. And now right here, I'm just parting out baby hairs. Yeah, right here, I'm just parting out baby hairs. Just trying to make sure everything is even on both sides. And I'm just gonna hot comb those out just so I can keep them out the way from everything else. And then I'm pressing that hair back. Look at Kai, his bad butt, or just have to put him out all the time. And now I'm just like swooping it to see how to look, like the thickness of it and everything. And then I'm just gonna twist those out the way. And then I did the same thing to the other side. And now I'm just applying some concealer in between the actual baby hairs and the like where the hairline is, just to create that illusion that we all love. And now I'm just spraying Gots to Be spray on my hairline again. That helps with the actual concealer just setting in, and also hardening the baby hairs a little bit just so they can stay out the way once being cut. And now I'm just brushing my hair back out again and just pressing my hair out with the hot comb, still on like 480 degrees. Now, you know, almost getting to batch material. Now look at this. I have no more in that bottle, and I do have another one that I could have used, but I didn't know where it was. I had the olive oil kind, but I guess that one right there is my favorite. And that's the one that wanted to show up that day. So we had to do what it do. Make it do what it do. And I'm just having the hardest time, Lord. Okay, finally got a little bit. So I'm just applying a little bit of serum to the top of the wig. just to help those flyaways stay down. And that hair did straighten very, very, very easily. No issues with it. It's so soft, wasn't hard to manage. It's not hard to manage. No shedding whatsoever. It straightened well. It stays straight without even being straightened. Yeah, I really love this hair. It's some really good quality hair. And now I'm just pressing it out a little bit with my flat irons. Those aren't any special flat irons. I think I got those from Burlington, but they work really well. Now I'm just clipping my hair out the way, just so I can start cutting my baby hairs and laying those down, which is my favorite part, but it takes the longest. I'm just cutting the baby hairs right here. Just doing the same thing on both sides with the hair still clipped back. And now I'm just using my razor, the eyebrow razor, to like uneven out the actual like scissor lines where I cut. Just thinning those out a little bit so the hairs won't be so straight at the ends, and I have a more like neat baby hair swoop each time. Right here I'm attempting to curl each section of the baby hairs under, and I think I might have tapped on my forehead a little bit trying to curl those. I need to invest in another small like mini set of flat irons. I had some before, but I don't know where they at. And right here I'm just applying Got2b glue gel on the baby hairs, and that's what I use to swoop my baby hairs. Yeah, just placing my finger towards the top of the hair and just swooping it over to the opposite side. And that takes a minute to perfect, and don't get discouraged if you're not able to like get your swoops how you want them the first time, because this video is sped up, so don't think it took me just a second to do it, because it did. I'm sure it took me about an hour. It's like, no, not an hour, but yeah, it took me a little minute. And now I'm just doing my little sideburns, swooping those to perfection. Just do the same thing to both sides. Just gonna keep swooping till I get them perfect, or to my liking, on both sides. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more concealer. Well, no, I'm adding powder right there. And then just using my hot comb to press my hair back. Just make the look more defined. And it's all coming together, as you can see. I'm starting to feel myself a little more. And now, just showing y'all the look. Do y'all see those swoops? Everything is fleeking how it's supposed to. She's giving what she has supposed to have gave. I think I might have said that wrong, but yeah, she's giving what she's supposed to. See those swoops? Period. Period. Do y'all like my hair? Like, do y'all like this hair color on me? Do y'all like it? Did I do a good job? What about my makeup? Do y'all like my makeup? Did I do a good job? Yeah, let me know in the comments. Guys, Langston, say hey. Just rude. Well, yeah, guys, we just went to a wholesale store to get some inventory for the business. I get stuff to make the t-shirts or whatever, and I really didn't find anything. Yeah, but we're not even doing that today. Nothing. We're about to go find something to eat and then go to the house.